At Nike Cavite, bida pa rin sa karera.
Way they go. Hysteria, Street Song, Classical Jade Lim. Expensive Toys, Donori inside is Miss Elliot, and Sweet Kid is the early trailer. Miss Elliot, Classical Jade, Hysteria, Street Song, Lim. Expensive Toys, Donori inside, and Sweet Kid is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 800, Miss Elliot, Classical Jade, Hysteria, Street Song, Lim, Expensive Toys is running by the rail, and Sweet Kid is running at the tail of the field. Entering the far turn, Miss Elliot by some 2 lengths, Classical Jade, Lim, Expensive Toys, Donori inside, Hysteria, Street Song, Sweet Kid. Inside the last 450, Miss Elliot by only a length and a half. Lim, Expensive Toys, Donori inside as they raise the final corner. Miss Elliot, Lim, Expensive Toys, and Sweet Kid, Donori inside, Classical Jade. Lim, Expensive Toys now the leader. Sweet Kid, Donori inside, Miss Elliot, and nearing the finish line, Lim, Expensive Toys, Sweet Kid, and finally from the stable of Mr. Roland Lim, Lim, Expensive Toys, Sweet Kid, Miss Elliot, Classical J, Hysteria, and Street Song.
3, 4, 1.